Today we're going to look at the National Soil Map and how it can be made even more useful by the addition of attribute tables. So we're looking here at the National Soil Map overlaid on a simple road map, and what we're going to do is go over and look at this Identify button and click on a particular polygon in the map. This brings up this Identify box, which lists the attributes of that polygon in this dataset. Now when we're looking at the NATMAPvector dataset on its own, most of these attributes are pretty unintuitive, numbers and codes and so on. So what we're going to do is join on an attribute dataset. It's called NATMAPlegend.csv, and I've imported it here, to this dataset so that we can get some useful and understandable information about the soils in this area. So we go over to the Layers panel and right-click upon the NATMAPvector dataset. There's an option here called Joins and Relates, and we're going to select Join, which brings up another box. From here, we choose within NATMAPvector the field that we would like to join upon, and that's MUSID, MUSID, which stands for Map Unit Sequential ID. Then we choose the dataset that we want to join it to, which attribution we want to attach to this spatial dataset. And I would like to join to NATMAPlegend, which is one of the core datasets that we supply with every lease of NATMAPvector. Then we choose to join on MUSID again and say OK. So what's happening now is those two datasets are being joined. So that now, when we query this dataset, go back to the same polygon, what we find is that we have a large number more attributes joined to this data which describe the soil. They provide the name of the association, land beach, a simple description that is loam over gravel, the type of geology, the dominant soils, some other soils in that area, and descriptions of typical cropping and land use. Those types of information are now available when we look at this data set